Imagine a world where all electronic devices suddenly stop working. No phones, no internet, no transportation. This could happen during an EMP or electromagnetic pulse. EMPs can be caused by nuclear detonations or severe solar flares and have the potential to disrupt or destroy electronic systems on a massive scale. The concept of EMPs has been around since the Cold War, but recent events and technological advancements have brought this topic back into the spotlight. To understand the potential damage of an EMP, it's important to know how they work. An EMP is essentially a burst of electromagnetic radiation. When this burst interacts with electronic devices, it can induce currents that short out circuits. There are three components to an EMP: E1, E2, and E3 pulses. The E1 pulse is a fast, high-intensity burst that can damage most electronic equipment. The E2 pulse is similar to lightning and is generally not as harmful. The E3 pulse is a slow pulse, similar to a solar storm, that can cause long-term damage to power lines and transformers. An EMP attack could have catastrophic consequences. Imagine cities going dark, transportation grinding to a halt, and communications breaking down. Hospitals could lose power, and emergency services would be severely hindered. This isn't just about inconvenience. An EMP could fundamentally change our way of life. In the worst-case scenario, it could lead to a breakdown of social order. Reports suggest that an EMP could result in weeks or months without power, leading to a shortage of food, clean water, and medical supplies. How can we prepare for such a scenario? One effective strategy is using Faraday cages and bags, which are designed to block electromagnetic fields and protect electronic devices from EMP effects. A Faraday cage can be as simple as a metal trash can lined with cardboard, or as complex as a specially designed bag for your phone and other small electronics. Additionally, EMP shield devices like ferrites and traps can offer protection. Ferrites are simple, clip-on devices for cables that help prevent electromagnetic interference, while traps are designed to protect vehicles or homes from the effects of an EMP. If you want to build a Faraday cage at home, you can start with a metal trash can and line it with a non-conductive material like cardboard or plastic. Make sure the lid fits tightly and that there are no gaps. You can test your Faraday cage by placing a phone inside and calling it from another device. If the call doesn't go through, your cage is likely effective. Preparing for an EMP isn't just about protecting electronics. It's crucial to have a plan for your basic needs. Start by stockpiling essential items like non-perishable food, clean water, and medical supplies. Consider learning about alternative communication methods, such as two-way radios or satellite phones, which might still work even if regular communication networks are down. Additionally, having a backup power supply is essential. Solar panels, hand-crank generators, and other alternative power sources can be a lifesaver during extended outages. Beyond individual preparation, community preparedness is also vital. Form a network with your neighbors and local community groups to share resources and information. In a worst-case scenario, having a community plan can help maintain order and provide support. Consider joining local preparedness groups or online forums to exchange tips and strategies for EMP protection. The threat of an EMP might seem far-fetched, but its impact could be devastating and long-lasting. Preparing now means you can protect yourself and your loved ones from the worst effects. By taking steps to safeguard your electronics, stockpile essential supplies, and form community plans, you can ensure you're ready for anything. Don't wait for an EMP to happen. Start preparing today.